Before we go ahead, can we ask a simple question, Sangeeta? Because all of us have discussed that this is a very simple thing, but unfortunately be not been followed. That how many people in this room also had a preventive health checkup or preventive screening? Yeah, and the next question is regular preventive health checkup. So I think we can see the numbers. So what we need, I think, is to create a culture of prevention in our society. The government, I think, has taken an initiative of screening a huge population of close to 20 crores is what they're projecting for hypertension and diabetes, and initial trials have already started. And I think this government initiative would go a long way in creating a culture of prevention in our society. And I think all of us should congratulate government for this fantastic initiative, because that would help us a long way. What we need is, like I mentioned, a combined awareness effort by the private and public players to go out and hammer the fact to people at large that this simple prevention technique they have to adapt in their life. We as healthcare players, a lot of people visit our facilities every day. We have to make an extra effort to try to reach each and every person and tell them the simple benefits of prevention or early detection with a lot of testimonies, real life stories. Again, if you see, healthcare people are also the biggest employers in the service industry. So we have to start with ourselves by implementing preventive healthcare programs for our employees first, right from doctors to the security guard. If you also look at different reports have projected different amount of loss which lifestyle diseases will bring to this country. I think if government looks at this kind of figures and allocate a particular small percentage to create a campaign, an awareness campaign, which will help to reach out to people about the benefits of prevention. If there are campaigns for anti-tobacco, for AIDS awareness, why can't there be for the benefits of prevention? If there are campaigns for payment of income tax and service tax, because that generates revenue, and if on this side we are going to stop a revenue loss, then I think we need a campaign even that side. What we need, I would say, is that government, I would request them to look at preventive healthcare as a part of basic healthcare and not to look at it as a luxury product, specifically from the service tax point of view, because that's a necessity. I think we have to give an equal weightage to preventive if you compare with health insurance, because both the things are equally important and complement to each other. If you see a lot of times, if you take a basic thing like preventive screening, a lot of times it is being projected as a hassle or pain. I think we have to change the way people look at it. I have nothing against health insurance, but a couple of years back, all of us heard those ads where they mentioned that now hassle-free insurance, no pain of going through a health checkup. I think we should really project in this fashion that with insurance you get a free complimentary health checkup, because that will help people to look at it differently. If you again look at the pre-medical insurance tests which are done for health insurance and even for life insurance, most of the times these reports are not shared with clients. I think if they are shared with a client, that would help a client, because the tests are done, but he doesn't know what is his status. And those are mostly preventive tests. So if the reports are shared with them, that would benefit them benefit to people a lot. Same thing applies for pre-employment health checkups. If only the company HR knows the reports, it's of hardly any use. I think those have to be shared with people. People have to be counseled, because even the small benefits which are shared with people will go a long way in creating a culture of prevention. And while doing all this, I think we have to also look at one problem which can come in future, which was faced, which was realized to some extent in insurance, where again we saw few ads, "Kam insurance ki bimari." Same way, I think we have to advocate a comprehensive preventive health checkup, so that we don't have to tell people again after a few years that "Kam test ki bimari" kind of a thing. And since we have seen that a lot of new techniques are now available, I think we have to go out and make them more and more aware and make them adopt to preventive techniques. And that would help us a lot. Thank you.